If that sounded familiar to you, you're not alone. For the past few months, the bathrooms at Quince Orchard have been locked. But one question seems to be on everyone's minds. Why? Why do you think the bathrooms are locked?
I think it has to do with those devious licks at the beginning of the year, because I heard something about that on the announcement.
So, the bathrooms at QO have been locked for the past few months due to vandalism. But what was the breaking point that caused the bathrooms to get locked?
We, according to building services manager, Mr. Lee, who, in my opinion, walks on water, he goes above and beyond to...
That really disturbs me because it shouldn't have to be locked. It should be open for everybody.
So, is there an end in sight? Maybe not until students start respecting the bathrooms. Until then, you may have to just run upstairs. Matthew Antolick, QOTV.
It's QO. Stop tripping.
Please see QO Theater's production of the 25th annual Putnam County Spelling Bee this Saturday and next Saturday at 2 and 7 p.m. Tickets are only $12. Isn't that great?
Spell the word camouflage.
C-A-M.
Close. Good job, though.
Name?
Steven.
Steven, spell crayon.
Crayon. Can I get the definition?
It's a crayon.
C-R-A-Y-O-N.
That is correct. Marlon, spell syzygy. Syzygy? Syzygy. Syzygy? Syzygy.
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 Trash, garbage, rubbish. 1/3 of the Earth's surface is covered with litter. The hallways at Quince Orchard High School are no exception. Pick up your trash.
Hello, I'm the trash man. Let's pick up some trash. Oh. If I can do it, then so can you. Oh.
Melvin, did you see that the movie? Oh. Wait, Felix, no, don't drop the trash. Is that the trash man?
He's coming right at us.
I can't move.
Pick up your trash.
Oh, okay.
冒険する。ゴミの丸メロの果樹園を。
Spanish heritage and culture is rich in different aspects, historical, music, and everything.
And I teach social studies here at Quince Orchard, U.S. History, NSL.
Hello, I'm Juanita, and
I'm Puerto Rican.
I'm Honduran.
First of all,
it's easy, I guess.
Growing up, being Salvadorian wasn't a big deal.
Busy hallways, congested stairwells, late students. These are common issues for Quince Orchard High School students, especially students like Melvin.
Okay, so today I'm here with
Melvin.
And Melvin stairwell, that one is pretty bad. When going up it, you get lost. Yeah. How does it make you feel?
Makes me feel, I feel confused, and I don't like it.
You don't like it? I don't think a lot of people like it. What would you say? Have you ever been late to class because of this main stairwell issue?
All the time, man. Every time.
Every time.
Every day. All day.
Every day.
Every day.
Man, I think your teachers might be disappointed in you. How would you describe moving up and down the stair?
There is clearly an issue, so we went ahead and tested it out. We compared walking up the lobby staircase to the conveniently located blue hall staircase close by. These videos just show the
Hey guys, my name's Matthew. I'm in TV1, and I'm very excited to work with all of you this year. So here's a little bit about me. I like baking, I like video games, I like making music and composing music. I'm not very good at acting, in my opinion. I don't think I'm very funny either, although I don't really have experience doing comedy stuff.
At first, Miss Thomas called my house, and she was like, "Caroline, we need you to show us your Minecraft school." It took us about, obviously, when we couldn't be there, we were a little bit sad, and so we were like, let's build the school in Minecraft, and that is what we did.
What's up, Quince Orchard? My name is MatthewRanks, and today we're going to be going over the top 5 activities to do during a snow day. Before we get the video started, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Anyway, without further ado, here's the video. Starting off at number 5, we have attending online class. Number 4, doing homework. Time for number 2, making snow angels. That's it for the top 5. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more epic content. What's up, Matthew heads? Kiss your warm feet goodbye, because today we're going over 10 Zoom backgrounds that will knock your socks off. If you're not wearing socks right now, go pause the video and put socks on so that your socks can get knocked off with the video. Robot with hands that will knock your socks off. Major technological innovations have given this robot the ability to have working human limbs. Utilizing these limbs, this robot can and will knock your socks off. This fan is much larger than an average-sized fan. While a normal fan would not be able to remove clothing, this fan will blow your socks off. Hey Quince Orchard, my name's Matthew, and today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 fun quarantine games to play with your friends. First game I got for you guys today, it's a fun, free, online game called Scribblio. It's kind of like online Pictionary. Insert the Mario Kart Wii disc. Go to Settings, Internet, Connection Settings, and make a new connection. Connect, and you can play online. Depending on when you watch this, you may have to wait 7 days to play, but you might not. Anyways, enjoy. Greetings all. My name is Matthew Antolick, and I'm here to tell you about Keogh's rich history in art. Everywhere you go in Quince Orchard High School, you are surrounded by art. So much so that it's even visible from Google Earth. But to get to the bottom of this art, in fact, a lot of art at the school is created by students, like the tiles in the courtyard, or outside the media center, or in the main lobby.
Oh heck, a bull. Or lion. Oh man. Woof, woof. Bark, 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 woof. The dog sounds. Shut up, doggo. Bark. Woof, woof, bark. Woof, woof. Bark, bark, bark. Woof. Rart, bark. Woof, woof. Bark. Rart. Roar. I'm out. Vroom. Okay, I'm a skedaddle.
Arg, matey! Me and my band of merry men wish to conquer that group project. Give us the treasure of the high GPA, or face our ruler blade. Are you gonna give me a higher grade, or? Holly want a good grade! Holly want a good grade!
I'll think about it.
Don't be scared. It's okay.
Who are you? Why are you doing this? How can I talk now?
Sorry about everything going silent for a minute.